In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a Discord event. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord and navigate to the server where you want to create the event. Make sure you have permission to create events on the server. Next, click the down arrow next to the server name at the top left. From the server menu, select Create Event. Discord will now ask you where the event will take place. You can choose from options such as a voice channel, stage channel, or somewhere else. If you're hosting a voice chat, select Voice Channel and choose the channel where members will join. For presentations, announcements, or panel discussions, select Stage Channel and choose the appropriate stage channel. If your event is happening outside Discord, select Somewhere Else. You can then enter an external link or physical location where the event will take place. Next, enter your event details. Add a clear event name. Then choose the date and time. Discord automatically displays event times according to each member's local time zone. Add a description explaining what the event is about and anything attendees should know or prepare before joining. Review the event details and make sure the location, date, time, and description are correct. When everything looks good, click Create Event. Your event will now appear in the server's Events section, where members can view the details and plan to attend. And that's it. You've learned how to create a Discord event by choosing the event location, adding the details, setting the date and time, and creating the event. And that's how to create a Discord event. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.